Good afternoon, YouTube, my family, and my friends. Excellent Dreams back with another exclusive video for you today. Today we'll be working with Trish one more time. Let me go ahead and send the link out to her. In the meanwhile, let me go ahead and share my screen so you guys can enjoy the magic. There we go. Share them both now. Should be here periodically. I like that Diamond Club palm trees. That's looks pristine. Pristine it does. I do say so myself. Hey Trish, hey Trish,
Hey,
you ready to rock and roll?
I am, but I am not I am not excited about how mine I need help bad.
Let me see.
Well, mine doesn't look worth crap, but I did do like how I would like it to look.
Yeah,
Um I did a Photoshop.
go ahead, share it again.
mm,
There we go.
that's what I want it to look like.
Okay. Is that the one you drug in?
Yes.
Okay. Watch this here.
Do
That's
I need to give you
yes,
control?
yes. Because this is
Okay.
this is this is actually good.
Oh, good. Okay.
This is
Do you have
actually
control?
yeah, I do. Here we go.
Okay. All right.
All right, so watch this. So you brought that in from Photoshop like that?
Yeah.
Well, so question.
Uh-huh.
Did you put the shine on here to make it look like that?
Yeah.
All right, let's see here. Let's outline, trace, and clip art this thing.
Okay, I'm taking notes. Because I really, this CorelDRAW is just throwing me. And I know I've got to get in there and learn it, but
Yeah,
Photoshop has been so ingrained. It's just, you know,
yeah. It's gonna be okay though, because watch this.
and then trying to do the TRW with it. Okay, I'm watching.
So we attempted to outline, trace, our Photoshop image. All right, this is what we get.
Okay.
Okay, which isn't bad at all. Watch this. We're gonna right click and ungroup all. You're gonna be kind of shocked at this.
I hope so.
Um, you still have the original image in there. Let's see here. Edit and nudge it out. Okay, so that was still the original in there. We we may need that again, so let me nudge that up.
Okay.
Out of sight, out of mind for now. We're gonna grab this blue.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna select all that same color. We're gonna nudge it out. Boom,
Okay.
nudge it out. We're gonna grab this blue. Select all that same side, that same color. Okay. It should
Mm-hmm.
all still be in here. Okay. We're going to change that to this blue.
Okay.
All right. We're going to zoom in. We're going to get the other half of that color. Boom. Grab all that same color and change it to that blue. All right. Got a few more blues in here. Like this blue should be that color. Boom.
And that's because of the shiny that I had on it, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
If you would have did it without the shiny on it or trying to make it look shiny, this part right here would have been so much easier.
Gotcha.
So those should be blue. Boom. All right. I'm gonna select that blue, select all that same color, and then nudge it over. Boom. All right. So a few more blues in here. Is there any way
I'm
in Photoshop that we can go back and take it off and then bring it back in without the shine on it?
maybe. Um,
We just need flat graphics.
let me think. Um, well, that did not keep my colors though. I think it's still going to have the different, I think I'm still going to have the different tones though.
Let me see here. Trying to zoom in. Oh,
Where are you at? Are you on my Photoshop or the other?
I'm still looking at your Photoshop.
Okay. That changes the color,
It still has
but
to shine on it.
if I zoom, let me, okay. It doesn't necessarily have the shine, but it's still got the,
The gradient.
yeah,
There it is in effects, the color overlay.
that's what I did.
You just can't eyeball that off.
Um, can remove it, but it's still going to do that.
Huh.
Now, if you, I can recreate it real quick without that.
Okay.
But I mean, it'll take me about 15 minutes. Do you want me to zoom back in after that?
Yeah, let's do that because if you just have these to where they're blue circles and white circles or whatever color. They can be green circles,
Yeah,
without that
whatever.
shine on it or without that effect on it. I'm gonna show you something real neat in CorelDRAW. That way you can still utilize your Photoshop skills since you're pretty good in Photoshop. Drag that image into CorelDRAW and quickly get it into stones. So
Perfect. Okay, let's.
all right,
Okay, you want me to? I'll message you when I'm done.
okay.
Sound
I,
good?
I, I don't have anywhere to go. I'm waiting on you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right, bye.